Hello everyone. Happy morning kids. How are you all? Ready for the EVS class? So let us begin the class with a wonderful thought on kindness. Kindness is a language which the deaf can hear and the blind can see. Means kindness doesn't require any particular language. It is just action. Means your action can speak how kind you are. It takes nothing away from you to be kind to an animal. Again, it means that your actions speak that you are kind even to animals. Let's meet some of our other friends. Are you ready? Are you excited? So let us see. Oh, what is this? It's a dolphin. You guessed it right. And there are so many of them. And this is a lion who is ready to come near us. Let us come in your class. So some of the animals are asking our permission to come in the class. Let us find out who they are. Oh, so cute. Who are they? Yuppie, it's correct. They are penguins and so cute, so they want to come in our class. And the bird too, who flies high up in the sky. So, should we allow them to come in our class? Okay, so we allow them. Would you like to learn about us? They want to come in our class and they want to teach us about them. So, are you all ready and excited about it? So this is a tiger, roaring one. And this is a bear who is ready to gulp or eat the fish. So let's explore world of animals. What are the topics we are going to explore in this session are types of animals, food habits of animals, and uses of animals. Okay. Now let's enter the wonderful world of animals. See how happy they are in their own world with lot of fun. So today's topic is animals. Isn't it a wonderful topic, children? I know you all like it too. The world is full of amazing animals. Okay, animals are found everywhere in our surroundings, in deserts, in forests, oceans, air, and even mountains. They are living creatures like us. They are same like us. And why is it so? Because they require water, air, and shelter too, like us. Animals choose a place to live according to their body structure. So how the structure of an animal is, their home will be similar. Food habits are different among different animals. So like us, like human beings, how we have different types of food habits, similarly even animals have different types of food habits. There are different types of animals. Okay, so like us, how we are different, even animals are different and their types are also different. Like, now what are the types? Like insects, birds, reptiles, mammals, and so on. Now, last year, what did we learn? Just let us quickly recap it. We learned domestic animals, wild animals, and pet animals. So I think you remember some of the things what your last year teacher had taught you. So let us do a quick recap. Domestic animals. Okay, so domestic animals are animals which are useful to mankind. They are tame or controlled animals, means they are not dangerous animals. We can find them all around us. Some domestic animals even help us in our work. Our day-to-day work, they help us. Okay. Examples: horse, donkey, camel, ox, etc. means many more. Some domestic animals provide us with food. Example: hen, goat, sheep, etc. Human beings depend on animals for milk, which mommy tells you to drink every day, eggs, wool, etc. Okay, there are some more: cow, hen, goat, sheep, and many more. Okay, did you understand now? And did you recall domestic animals which we had studied last year? Great. Now here are some pictures of domestic animals, and they are turkey, hen, rooster, goose, cow, cat, rabbit, chick, ox, dog, duckling, duck, goat, sheep, lamb, horse, kid, foal, and cow. And there are many more which we have discussed in the class. So, domestic animals. Oh, they are even farm animals. So, do you remember a song on this which you might have sung in Standard 1? Oh, you guessed it right. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Do you remember? Okay, so teacher is going to make you listen to this song in the class. Did you enjoy the song? Old MacDonald. Great. Now let us see wild animals. Wild animals are animals which live in forest or jungle. We cannot keep wild animals in our homes. Otherwise, it is going to be very dangerous. Wild animals are dangerous. Okay, so we cannot keep them in our home. They depend on other animals and nature for food. Now, the eating habit of wild animals are different than the domestic animals. They hunt their own food. They hunt or they search even water and make their own shelters. So wild animals are independent animals. They hunt for their own food, they search for water and make their own homes. Example: wolves, lion, tiger, zebra, deer, cheetah, and many more. Few wild animals can be trained. Okay, example: elephant, tiger, lion, monkey. First, it used to be done in the circus. In circus, they used to train these wild animals. But nowadays, animals are not allowed to be captured and kept for human use. That is, for entertainment. So, the training of these wild animals have been stopped by our government. Now here are few pictures of the wild animals, and they are zebra, bear, giraffe, red panda, rhinoceros, cheetah, kangaroo, gorilla, hyena, tiger, hippopotamus, elephant, and lion. Let us see few more images of wild animals. Oh, so dangerous but beautiful. Oh, so cute. See, they both are playing. Oh, the giraffes are playing too. Great. Would you like to go and play ball with them? And they are having a running race. Wow. Survival in the forest. How do these wild animals survive in the forest? The strongest is the boss, and the weakest has to suffer. Now, all the buffaloes together are very, very strong, united, right? So the poor lion had to suffer. Now, let's explore about pet animals. Oh, so cute! Look at them, pet animals, and here are some images. Oh, see, the cat and kittens are all playing. The birds, they are the lovebirds. Rabbits, oh, so cute. Dog and the cat is scratching the dog and making him feel better. This is a small little cute hamster. And goldfish. Aren't they all very, very cute? I know they are. And some more naughty pets. Okay, cats. I know many of you have cats at home. And she is a lazy Tom cat who is sleeping on the chair and swaying its tail. I know you would all love to share about your pets, and definitely we are going to talk about it. Now, now let's see different types of animals, and they are land animals, water animals, they are also known as aquatic animals, birds, insects, mammals, and amphibians. So all these animals we are going to explore. Ready? Come on, let's go now. Now let us see land animals. Land animals are animals that live on land and they have fur, tail, ears, tusk, etc. And here are few images of land animals. Their body structure is in such a way that they live on land. Water animals. Water animals live in water. They are also called as aquatic animals. They have fins, scales, tail, gills. Now, here are few images of water animals. Okay, so their body structure is in such a way that they can live in water. So see, beautiful pictures of water animals, air animals. Now, air animals are known as birds, okay, who have feathers and wings. They fly, they build their own nests, and they lay eggs in their nests, okay. Here are few pictures of air animals, and we have spoken about them in the class. Now we are going to see birds flying in the air. The action. Okay. Wow. See how their wings are moving? How they are flying? And they have very strong wings. Wow. Now let's explore about insects. Insects are small animals with 6 legs. Some insects have even more than 6 legs. Most of them have wings and antennae. Those are the fillers extended from their head. Okay, here are few images of insects. Now these are fluttering insects. See how they are moving and fluttering their wings. Some more insects. This is a grasshopper and some bees. Now let's explore mammals. Oh, so cute! Even the elephants, so many of them. And these tiny little cubs. Mammals. Mammals are animals which give birth to young ones and feed milk to their young ones. Okay, so mama cow is feeding milk to her baby calf and pig is feeding milk to piglets. Now let's see who are amphibians. Amphibians are animals that live both on land and underwater. They may lay eggs either inside the water or on the ground. So these animals are having a body structure which helps them to live on land as well as in water. And here is Mr. Froggy, who can live on land as well as in water. And there are few more who can live on the land and in water. Now let us see who are plant eaters. Plant eaters are animals who eat plants like grass, leaves, fruits, flowers, roots, and many things which are available in nature for them. Examples are cow or buffalo, hare, giraffe, elephants, and many more. Now let us see who are flesh eaters. Flesh eaters are animals who eat flesh of other animals. They kill and eat the flesh of other animals. And here are few images or pictures of flesh eating animals. Okay, and they are little stronger and have a strong body structure. Okay. So let us now explore how animals are useful to us. Okay, animals are useful to human beings in many ways. Cows, buffaloes, goat provide us with milk, which is our daily necessity, which we drink every day. Okay, we get ghee, butter, cheese, paneer out of milk, and I know you all like all these items. Hens and ducks provide us with eggs. Animals are also used for transport, plowing, and working in farms or forests. Okay, so who they can be? They can be donkey, they can be elephants, ox. Okay, so you can definitely share many examples with your teacher, and I know you have done it. So let us see how this man is milking the cow. And the hen laying an egg. Oops. The honey is made by the honeybees. See how busy they are. You know, they are very busy the entire time making honey. And this is their home. It's a beehive. And the silkworms, they are used to make silk. But it's a very sad thing that after making silk or the process how we make silk, we kill these silkworms. So, teacher requests you that we are not going to use any product which will kill or harm any animals. Okay? So, teacher has already sent a small video to you showing you how silk is produced from the silkworm. Okay? So definitely watch it and we are going to talk in our next period about it. Wool from the sheep. Now this is how they remove the wool from the sheep without harming them. See how this man is doing it? Oh, animal cart, horse, camel, they are used in animal cart to take people from one place to another or loads or luggage from one place to another, goods from one place to another. Products from animals. Now, here is a very important thing which teacher would like to share, that products from animals are now stopped. We do not kill animals, or we should not kill animals to make useful products for us human beings. Okay, example, purses, belts, shoes, carpets, coats, jackets, and many things more. Their horns and teeth are also used to decorate the homes of other people. So we should stop using animal products which harms or kills the animals. Now here are few other animal products which we get from different animals, like milk we get from cow, buffalo or goat. Meat we get from goat, pig, hen, fish. Eggs we get from hen and even sometimes duck. Honey we get from honeybees. Now let us see what are extinct animals. Extinct animals are animals which are no more alive in the world. For example, dinosaurs, okay? And there are even mammoth, the elephant with very big tusk. You can see it over here in the pictures. So all these are extinct animals which are no more alive in the world, anywhere in the world. They all are dead. Okay, and I know you all might be having fantabulous names of extinct animals which you can share with your teacher. Okay, so till now we learned so many things about the world of animals. We saw domestic animals, wild animals, pet animals. We even saw animals living on the land, in water, in air. We also saw the food habits of animals and even how animals are useful to human beings. So, after listening to all this and after studying all this, the conclusion or the point to remember is we should always treat animals as our friends. So animals are our friends. They never hurt us until and unless we hurt them. So we should not hurt any animal. Okay? Animals are the greatest gift of God. How we human beings are the greatest gift of God, similarly, even animals are greatest gift of God. Okay, each one of us should take the responsibility to preserve our nature and even to preserve the animals which are there present in the nature. So did you like the lesson? Did you like learning about animals? I know you did. So, teacher is saying bye for now and take care of yourself. Bye.